Welcome back, everybody. This is your host, MrVladtheMan, with SinDragonLord. Say hi.
What's up?
It has been a hot minute since we've gotten back together to go ahead and take care of some of these more recordings and uploads. I believe for episode 6 are going up.
Valentine's Day, actually.
Yeah, so it will have been a while on the SinDragonLord YouTube channel. But this is episode 16 of the HeartGold SoulSilver Soul Lock. And last time, we made it all the way over to Cianwood, where our Shuckle gift was Duskull and Horsey.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Okay. So let's take a look and see what we got here. That is
Who
definitely
got, who got who, by the way?
You got Horsey.
Oh,
I got Duskull.
Oh, I got. You still have to deposit that, by the way.
I do. Wait, do I? Yeah, we do, because eggnog, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm. Although, not gonna lie, that is a good pair, though. I do dig that.
I do too. It's just a shame that Milotic will probably never die.
Yeah, we have a lot of good water types, but they're being cock-blocked by the fact that you have a water type that'll likely never die.
Because it's got Marvel Scale and Recover.
Did we ever figure out where the flame orb is in this game?
No, I didn't.
I forgot you fucking found a Groudon.
Right, it's attached to your Primeape though, which is a fighting type. That. Why can't we do that?
Look at your team.
Right, Chad.
Who's Chad attached to? Oh yeah, Articuno.
Yeah. Honestly, though, I prefer Machoke or Machamp over you having Primeape.
Yeah, and I mean, worst case scenario, Articuno dies, you get a Groudon, and we still have a fighting type, so.
Oh, we get to actually fish here for another encounter.
Yay. I'm fucking... Did we actually get a rod? I forgot.
I did.
Oh, I hope I did, then.
Oh, wait, hang on.
Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. Fuck it, I forgot what shift was, so I'm just gonna fucking do this. And we're fishing.
Plant Barium. The Hubon Barium.
And the encounter is... Victory Bell. Do we have a grass type already?
We have a few.
I mean, on the team already.
Has Trees Nuts and Bees Nuts already died?
I believe... I think so? We can double check. Either way, depending on what you get, this might be a viable pair.
Yeah. Because remember, I got the Milcombe.
Right.
So, it's basically just death fodder for me.
Well, that's a reset.
That is a reroll.
Like, even if it was... No matter what the primary typing is, grass or poison, they got it covered.
Yep.
But I'm pretty sure they're both primary grass, though. Not even a nibble. Go screw yourself. I'll show you some nibbles.
This isn't looking positive here.
Roselia is clearly the common encounter for you.
Just hit the fishing rod on that menu, buddy. Right.
Oh. Good call.
And then just... Yeah, there you go.
That was a ticket. Watch it be another Victory Bell. Do we already have a swine up?
I'm looking right now. We have a Swablu, but no Swinub or Mamoswine. We're good.
Lit.
We're good.
And hold on. Swinub's primary ground, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I mean, we
How many
technically
balls?
fished it, right?
Yeah.
Hey!
Get in the ball. Get in the ball, you pigly son of a bitch. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Alright. Here we go. Cyanwood.
Alright, chat.
Roselia.
As per usual, I will give you guys about a minute to come up with a nickname for the swine up. If not, I'm going to name it myself, and I already have something in mind. So, a minute starting now. And I'll give chat delay, or a stream delay, a little bit of time.
Yep. I already know what I'm gonna name my Roselia.
I swear to God, if it's Guns N' Roses.
Alright, I need to think of a new name.
Was that really going to be your pick?
You know, now it's gonna be Roses and Guns.
Roses and Guns. You wanna know what you should name it? Rose Raid Shadow Legends.
Oh god, no. Oh no.
Oh no.
No, 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 no. Welcome to the team, Roses and Guns. Too bad you're going immediately into the box. Joey, don't call me.
Why is he going in the box?
That's why.
Shouldn't have been primary rock. Really? Fucking what?
Now your only hope is if Swide Up happens to be no, even primary ice would go into the box. I was thinking like if it was primary ice, but nope.
Since Piggly some bitch won't fit, you'll just be some bitch.
And this is a really good Roselia too. Look at that moveset.
I mean, you could who's Rhydon attached to?
Right. Zatu.
If you want to box them and take Swinub and Roselia, I'm okay with it.
I know you're okay with it.
I mean, it's up to you. You're the one that's like, oh, such a good Roselia.
Nah, I can wait. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's see, we already got the medication. We've already got the Shuckle. I think we just need to beat the gym, right?
Did we already do the Ucine encounter?
No.
Then we have to go north.
So lock with Kevin. Did I write down my... Okay, my level caps are here. Cool. So this level cap is... Chuck is level 47.
Ooh. Get some catching up to do, I think. But yeah, Suicune's up north, so this is where we'll get the Ucine encounter.
But what level is Ucine at, though?
I don't know.
Let's go and find out the hard way. Let's go.
We might lose the run here, guys. All because Vlad didn't want to do fucking 5 seconds of research, we might lose the run here.
Watch him be as strong as Chuck. At level 47.
Okay. 3 Pokemon.
Oh, okay, that's not that bad.
Arcana, your moveset could have been a little bit better, I think.
Nah, that's perfect. The strongest ice type move and the strongest wind type move. Perfect. Wow.
Omni boost. Man, I could have fucking switched. Oh well.
Oh wow. This Nidoqueen lived a
I'm pretty sure Raikou can survive a fucking dive. I'm pretty positive.
well, on the plus side, my special defense is now through the roof.
Why is that?
Paralyzed.
You mean your physical defense?
Is it physical? I thought it was special.
Nope, it's physical.
And see, Kevin, you were worried.
Yeah, your dude's in the 40s. Mine is... Ruh-roh, Raggy. Okay, paralyzed, cool.
See? And you were worried.
Thank you, full para. And just... Nice. Huntail goes down. Alright, what's next? Something broken, I'm fearful.
Genesect.
You'll be fine.
Oh, look, it's Perugly as the ace. Where have I seen that before?
He immediately goes to Captain Mars and Jupiter flashbacks.
Massive PTSD over that fight.
Oh, God.
Oh my god, that was abysmal.
Yeah, see, it was easy. What were you so worried about?
Arcanine's probably the best thing to handle this right now.
Arcanine?
Arcanine. No crit, no crit, no crit, no crit. Is Perugly's defense or special defense higher?
Oh, you're about to find out.
Thanks, you're so helpful.
No problem.
Fire Blast. And you're faster, fuck. I'm in crit range now, and Slash is a high crit ratio, so... Wait, I have extreme speed, I'm fine. Come on, we need extreme speed to kill, otherwise Violet might be going in the graveyard. Okay, good. Whew! Alright, well that's dealt with.
Alright, so, according to my little chart, yeah, level 47 Chuck. And then we gotta go fight Price, and then we can fight Jasmine.
Excuse me?
Alright, so, I'm gonna go ahead and start using Rare Candy. Who is Arcanine attached to? Yeah, you better not let that thing die.
Fuck. We might be losing something here. Not gonna cap on that. We might be losing something here because this Darkrai, holy shit.
Yeah,
you,
but Arcanine is attached to Milotic.
And Hypnosis hit. Of course it fucking hit. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Come on. Wake the fuck up. Wake up.
It's gonna go to level 45 for now. Ooh, Slash? Hell yeah. Let's get rid of...
Switching out. Who's Duracell attached to?
Ryoku. My Lightning.
Come on. Come on. I need this to kill. I need this to kill. Fuck. And fuck lack of sleep clause. Go fuck yourself.
Ooh, I get cross chop on Chad.
Do I survive a feint attack? I think so. I think its moveset is Hypnosis, Nightmare, Feint Attack, and I have not seen the fourth move yet. But I can survive a feint attack, and then I can extreme speed it to death. Holy shit, that's fucking annoying. Oh, what? Oh, thank God.
Man, your Eugene fight was a lot more intense than mine.
Yeah, you didn't have to deal with fucking Darkrai.
Ooh, Hammer Arm. That's a good move, right?
Level did you say you were doing? 45?
Yeah, 45.
You're amazing, SinDragon Lady. I'm starting to understand why Suicune was keeping an eye on you. I'm gonna keep searching for Suicune. I have a feeling we'll see each other again. See you around. My other question is, why the fuck do you need Suicune when you have fucking Darkrai?
Because for all you know, that Suicune's actually something else.
It could be a Darkrai.
He's just collecting Darkrai's.
I mean, sounds like something you would do.
Hey, just because I had 7 Darkrai's in Pokemon Diamond does not mean that I'm a collector, let's be honest.
Well, first step to fixing a problem is admitting you having one in the first place.
It's not a problem. The only problem I had was that I didn't have more.
How do I speed through this again? Shift?
For me it's tab, but you can also hit the plus button to actually increase speed as well.
Two? Beam, let's fucking go. Something other than powder snow. 44. And 45. Like to learn crunch. Or bite.
Alright, I'm gonna start heading to the gym.
I'm not ready yet.
That's not the gym.
You know, it'd be really cool if Chris actually learned some decent moves.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
It would be.
Ah, that's right.
Future Sight, come on. It's really not what I needed.
That's a match I don't want to go up against. Let's go boxers.
Chris, why you know learn good moves? Gonna heal the fuck up.
I need a silk scarf.
You need a lot of things.
Hey, there's that critical hit ratio. A Chatot. Well, that's terrifying. No.
You're fine. You're faster.
Okay. I was thinking of Copycat, where it could actually use the move. No, sorry, me first. That's what I was thinking of. I know my Pokemon moves, I swear.
Sure you do. That's exactly what someone who didn't know their moves would say.
Nope, you caught me.
I thought these were mandatory to get the Waterfall shut off. Fuck.
2 of them are at least mandatory. I don't know about the third yet, though.
I guess we're gonna go Gust.
Oh no, Arcanine. Why do you do this?
Damn shame you didn't have competitive. What happens when Hydro Miss actually lands, huh?
Mm-hmm. Fun times.
It's mandatory for sure. And I have to leave the building in order to get up those steps. Fuck.
No, you don't. Just go to the other side.
It's a Roserade. The Roserade Shadow Legends.
Okay, so only 2 battles are technically mandatory.
2.
Yep.
Hey, look. It's a Poliwrath.
Thanks, Mom. Wait, don't we get Fly here?
Chuck's wife after we win. I guess we'll hit it with Future Sight, since I don't have a better Psychic type move.
Milotic has just been such a reliable lead for me, but I want to lead with something else. I'll take reliability.
It's not... let's not, you know, fix something if it isn't broke.
Alright, so level 47.
Is Future Sight gonna actually do its thing? There we go. And Future Sight's not even, doesn't even take weaknesses into account. Chris, you're proving to be a liability right now.
Ooh, I can learn Rest? No. If Chad already can't take a hit, there's no way it's gonna live 2 after falling asleep. Or not Chad, I meant Boxers. Okay, and then you gotta fight that guy up there.
At the very tip top?
No, just the guy that's standing in that second set of stairs.
Okay.
The guy all the way at the top you can ignore.
I will try my best.
No, I mean, like, you don't even have to walk past him. Just literally ignore him.
Oh. Okay.
No, why did the waterfall turn off? Fine, just go back through and turn it off again. Damn it, why did you do this to me? Actually, yeah, you don't even have to go back up there. Just, yeah, just go, since you fought those 2, just go to the left. Hello. All right, make sure you're level 47, sir.
Yep. On it. Who should I lead?
Who do you think would win in a fight, Chuck or Bryce?
Chuck.
You think?
Wait, what was the question?
Who do you think would win in a fight, Chuck or Bryce? Because we've never seen Chuck fight. We just know that he's like strong and he's well built. But we've seen Bryce kick Team Plasma's ass. Everyone else was fighting with Pokemon battles. He was fighting with his fists.
I mean, Chuck trains with Machokes, so unless that old man is able to keep up with the sheer might of a Machoke, wants to learn Ominous Wind? Give me a fucking break.
On Zatsu?
Mm-hmm.
You know what? It's an attacking move.
I guess. Fucking Future Sight, which does not take account weaknesses and resistances. And then we have Nightshade, which only does damage equal to the level.
So fun fact, after one speed drop, Phione can outspeed Linoon.
Who got a speed drop, though?
Linoon. Linoon fell in speed.
Alright. Leading with Arcanine. The pounding waterfall right onto my head. Why did you stop the waterfall from pouring on me? You just spoiled my training. I have to warn you, I'm a strong trainer, training every day under this waterfall. It has nothing to do with Pokemon. That's true. I just realized Arcanine is just chilling in the water like it's no big deal.
Mm-hmm.
Zangoose. Fun times. Fire Blast.
You would a lantern.
I'm having like PTSD flashbacks to Radical Red and Misty right now. And I'm not even the one facing it. Nice. One hit KO the Zangoose. We're off to a good start.
Come on.
And his ace is Muck.
Fucking
There's a Fire Blast again.
Chad.
No. Okay. Fire Blast again.
That was an easy battle.
Ooh, that only did half. You bulky son bitch. Alright, well, you're definitely in crit range now, so we'll switch into
Oh,
Articuno.
that's how we can fly. Gotcha.
Mm-hmm. I told you, Chuck's wife.
Chuck's wife.
Right before... Chuck's wife.
Yep.
Okay, that's a crit. Fuck you. But,
Oh, I was that. You know you can live him.
yeah. Ice Beam.
Oh, you finally learned something worse than powder snow.
That,
Please tell me he's already used his hyper potion.
Nope. Fuck. You fuck. Why do you get the easy shit? At this point, we're gonna lose something to Muck. Because you're right, he still has not used his potion.
Which is weird.
Okay, Future Sight. And then we'll Roost after he Sludge Bombs me again. Oh, acid armor. That's
well,
fine.
That's convenient.
And we're roosting.
Okay, 43 damage, which is 86 after a crit. Okay, yeah, you can live this. I wish I hadn't said something.
Yeah, twat. Because now, if he crits me again, I'm fucked. Come on. I need you to kill. Come on. That was pitiful damage. Do you think that's under 47 HP, or should I just roost?
Just roost. You'll get out of crit range. Barely, but you'll get out of it. Fuck.
I think I have to risk that being less than 47. Because at this point, I'm just playing with the chance that I'm not going to die to a crit and poison damage.
Yeah. Fuck. Yep. Let's risk it for the biscuit.
Who's Zatu attached to again? Machamp?
Let's see. Zatu is attached to... Right on. So I'm like not devastating, but not like preferred.
Less than 47. Yes!
Cool. I had complete trust in you.
Well, that makes one of us.
As I was casually getting ready to deposit my Pokemon.
Yeah, don't act like are we gonna pretend like I didn't see that? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Well, congratulations on getting the Storm Badge. Now I gotta figure out who I'm teaching Fly to. I might just pick up one of the corpses, honestly.
Have him be your fly whore.
Yeah. Just
how often?
Hold on to it.
I mean, realistically, we're only gonna be using Fly like twice, right?
Well, yeah, because we gotta get over to.
We have to get back to Olivine, then we'll probably fly back to Goldenrod when the Rocket Radio Tower storyline starts.
Yep.
So yeah, I can see using one of the corpses.
All right, bees nuts.
You're gonna be useful. Exactly twice.
Exactly twice. Alrighty.
Did you actually just waste a rare candy on that?
No. I just taught it Fly.
I thought that was a rare candy. I thought it went from level 2 to level 3.
Nope, it's always been level 3 and it'll never move from there.
Alright, which of the corpses... Oh, I have a Garchomp still waiting to be used too.
That is attached to Pidgeotto.
Sick.
Your mascot. But that'll have to wait till next time. I hope you enjoyed, everyone. Kevin almost killing one of our Pokemon on, what, 2 occasions? 3 occasions?
2 occasions.
Yeah.
2 occasions, yeah.
But I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. And, don't forget to drink water.
Peace. I hate this so much.